Good morning, you guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to the new people. Also, please do subscribe. We are building a new family farm. Please come on this journey with us and enjoy every little detail about our farm life. We have decided to come together as a family and to build this farm together. So it's my mother and her 6 children. Enjoy the ride. Now you are on my YouTube channel now.
Yes.
You guys must now talk. Oma, what are you doing?
I'm cold.
This is my mom. Show them your hands. This is how the hands must look like of a working woman. Do you see that hands? See here? See here? Yes. This is how it must look like.
I'm busy with my house.
And this, all of them are coming from this one woman. This one woman is the starter of all this. And look, this is how the Namibian child stays. This is our house. We grew up in houses like this. Okay, we did not grow up. We grew up cooking like in houses like this. This is our kitchens, outside kitchen that we are making. But this is mom's bedroom. What is this, Uka? It's a bedroom. Yeah. In the winter, it's cold. In the winter, it's keeping you warm, and in the winter, it's keeping you. In the winter, it's keeping you warm, and in the summer, it's keeping you cool, because it's made of mud and matrami and cow dung, cattle dung. So now this is my sister. PK, look up, say hi to my YouTube friends. This is my sister, and she's the expert now at doing this thing. And look at this one. This is my brother. Abuda, say hi.
Hi, how are we?
Never get it though. Never get it. This is my this is my brother. His wife is the one with the baby. Okay, Oma is busy here to finish off. Grandma is busy to finish it off. My mom. Look what we're doing. This is like a screed, ne? You guys, it's watered down dung, a clay, watered down clay. Now this is the finishing. This is what we're doing. And now for the start, this is what's happening. You have to use elbow grease, a little bit of. Here is what we're having. It's a mixture of clay and cow dung. Mixture of clay and cow dung. And this is how it looks like up close. See, it's like a straw house that you guys are making of straw and clay. This is just this is just the way how you do it. And see the hands, you guys, see the hands. These are not normal hands, this is working family hands.
Your picture. And the other one also, ne?
Also for the world, nice one outside.
So, yep, this is his hair growth. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
Whoa! No, you can't have the water. What are you gonna do? Hey, okay, it's done. Hey! So, Chef Mommy is cooking some KFC at the farm. At the farm, Papa. This is our farm fire. And this is how we are making the curry. Not the curry, but I'm making KFC today. Fried chicken! I'm making fried chicken, so we don't have a blender on the farm. Little helpers will come and do this thing all the time, otherwise you will be pink and purple. So my little helper princess Elsa is putting sunscreen on my face. Yeah. Nana, go show the people inside how they are building the house. Uncle. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Yep.
Please like, subscribe, and share.
Hello, YouTube.
Okay, come.
Bukan